Good morning, Leland with Benchmark Vehicles. Out here, Portland Cars and Coffee, Porsche Day. We're out here with our 3 cars and going to talk a little bit about the newest projects, the latest addition to the Benchmark Safari rally car lineup. So this is a 1992 Porsche 964 Midnight Blue Metallic, and it's going to pretty much receive everything that we can possibly do to it. We're going to start by using a Russell-built kit. So that's their Sportsman in a box Safari kit. So what that includes is control arms, king shocks, wheels, fiberglass front bumpers, fiberglass fenders. A lot of bodywork's going to go into it. We're going to paint the car. We're going to delete the sunroof. We're going to delete the wiper in the rear, so give it a slick top look and really sort of transform what's going to be happening to this car. We're going to build a 3.8 liter motor out of the 3.6. We're going to do some work to the transmission. This is a high mileage original California car. It's the perfect donor car for what we're looking to do, and it's the perfect evolution in the Benchmark lineup. It does have a sunroof, so what we're going to do here is we're actually going to delete this. We'll weld in new sheet metal. We'll paint the whole roof. We'll do a new headliner in the inside. The interior is pretty cool. It's a midnight blue metallic car. Interior is blue, so it's a navy blue. These aren't the Schulmans we're going to keep in the car. We just had these kicking around the shop, so we threw them in. But we're going to do something that complements the interior and the exterior with the Schulmans. So it'll be a custom order seat. The interior also is going to receive a roll cage, storage below that roll cage, rear seat delete. We're going to do Momo steering wheel, delete the airbags. We don't want those going off when we're ripping off road. We're going to have a 5-point harness on here, and it's going to evolve, right? As I've been kind of learning more about this car, I've had about a week. There's little things that we keep adding to the build sheet that needs to be checked and ticked off and fixed, and and then ideas come the more you spend time with the car. Potentially, we will do a hood filler for the fuel and delete the fuel cap here. The fuel tank's also getting replaced with the fuel cell that accommodates a 29-inch tire in the front. So no, roof-mounted spare tire carrier like we have on our original Safari car here. So a very different look. This car will also have 10 inches of wheel travel, and versus like the 5 that's on here. We're going to do our own bumpers for it. We're going to add some lighting, Baja designs. There are going to be undercarriage lights. The stance is going to be much wider. This is a -30 offset wheel. These will be a -45 offset wheel. So we're going to be quite a bit wider and quite a bit taller, honestly. So the tires that are going to go on it are 2 inches taller than the Safari tires on here with these Toyos. I'm sure it's going to evolve from there. We're just getting started, so stay tuned.